Listen to me right now. Do you know what a bomb cyclone is? Because one is forming right now off the Carolina coast, and it is intensifying faster than meteorologists predicted. The central pressure is dropping 30 millibars in 24 hours. That is faster than some hurricanes. 100 million Americans are about to feel the impact of this storm starting in the next 6 hours. Not tomorrow, not tonight. Right now, I have been forecasting weather for 15 years, and I have never seen the models align like this. Every single computer model shows the same catastrophic scenario: heavy snow, hurricane-force winds, coastal flooding, blizzard conditions. This is not a normal winter storm. This is a meteorological bomb about to detonate off the East Coast. Here is what terrifies me most about this system: the timing and the speed. This storm organized overnight, and it is not slowing down. It is getting stronger every single hour. By tonight, it will have winds gusting to 70 miles per hour. That is Category 1 hurricane strength. Snow will be falling at rates of 3 to 4 inches per hour in some locations. Roads that are wet right now will be impassable sheets of ice in under 3 hours. People are going to die if they are not prepared. That is not me being dramatic. That is meteorological fact. The last winter storm that hit the Southeast 2 weeks ago killed over 50 people. Most died from hypothermia after losing power. Others died in car accidents on icy roads. Some froze to death walking from their cars to their homes because they got disoriented in whiteout conditions. Do not become a statistic. Listen to what I am about to tell you. Charlotte, North Carolina. You are in the absolute bullseye of this storm. You are staring down 8 to 12 inches of snow starting right now this morning. By noon Saturday, snow will be falling at rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour. That is faster than road crews can possibly clear it. Interstate 77 will be a parking lot. Interstate 85 will be impassable. The last time Charlotte got this much snow was January 2014, and the city completely shut down for 4 days. 4 days. Winds Saturday night gust to 45 miles per hour, creating complete whiteout conditions. You will not be able to see your hand in front of your face. Travel Saturday afternoon and evening is absolutely not advised. If you are out right now, get home immediately. Stock up on supplies before noon. After noon, it will be too late. Grocery stores will be mobbed or closed. If you lose power in this cold, your house will drop below freezing in under 5 hours. Have backup heat ready now. Space heaters, fireplace wood, extra blankets, generator fuel. Do not wait. Raleigh, North Carolina, 6 to 10 inches of snow starting Saturday morning. The heaviest snow hits between noon and 6 p.m. Saturday. Raleigh has not seen snow like this since February 2021. The city does not have enough plows to keep up with snowfall this intense. Roads will become ice skating rinks. Interstate 40 will be extremely dangerous. Highway 70 will be impassable. Winds gust to 40 miles per hour Saturday evening. If you must drive Saturday morning, leave before 10 a.m. After 10 a.m., do not get on the roads. The North Carolina Highway Patrol is already positioning troopers for emergencies, but they cannot reach you if roads are impassable. You are on your own once this storm hits full force. Have 3 days of food and water ready. Medications, baby supplies, pet food, flashlights, batteries. Write down emergency numbers on paper in case your phone dies. Greensboro, North Carolina, 7 to 11 inches of snow. This is the most snow Greensboro has seen since December 2018. Snow starts Saturday morning and does not stop until Sunday morning. Over 24 hours of continuous snowfall. Roads will be buried. Piedmont Triad International Airport is already canceling flights. Do not go to the airport. Your flight will not leave. Winds Saturday night gust to 35 miles per hour. Wind chills drop to 5 to 10 degrees. Exposed skin freezes in under 15 minutes at those temperatures. You can get frostbite walking from your car to your front door. Cover every inch of skin if you must go outside. Face, hands, ears, everything. Winston-Salem, North Carolina, 6 to 9 inches of snow. Highway 52 will be a disaster. Interstate 40 will be shut down by drifting snow. The city issued a travel ban effective Saturday afternoon. That means if you are on the roads after 2 p.m. Saturday, you can be arrested. They are not joking. Emergency vehicles need clear roads. Your car blocking a road could prevent an ambulance from reaching someone dying. Stay home. Snow rates peak Saturday afternoon at 3 inches per hour. That is 12 inches in 4 hours if rates stay that high. Plows cannot keep up. Salt trucks cannot keep up. Nothing can keep up with snow falling that fast. Asheville, North Carolina, you are getting slammed right now. You already have 6 to 9 inches of snow on the ground as of 8 a.m. Saturday, and it is still falling. You will see 10 to 14 inches total by Sunday morning. This is the worst winter storm Asheville has seen since February 2015. Interstate 40 through the mountains is closed. Interstate 26 is closed. You cannot leave Asheville even if you wanted to. Power outages are already being reported. Duke Energy crews are staged, but they cannot restore power during blizzard conditions. If you lose power, you need backup heat immediately. Use your fireplace. Use a generator outside only, 20 feet from windows. Carbon monoxide kills silently. You cannot see it. You cannot smell it. One mistake with a generator inside and your entire family is dead in under an hour. No exceptions. Generators outside only. Durham, North Carolina, 5 to 8 inches of snow. The Triangle region is about to shut down completely. Research Triangle Park is closed Saturday. Duke University canceled everything Saturday and Sunday. Snow starts Saturday morning and intensity increases through the afternoon. Highway 147 will be ice. Interstate 85 will be gridlocked, then abandoned. People will leave their cars on the highway when they get stuck. That happened in Atlanta in 2014. Thousands of cars abandoned on frozen highways. Children stuck on school buses overnight. Do not let that be you. Stay home right now. Cancel your plans. This is not optional. Wilmington, North Carolina, you are on the southern edge of heavy snow, but you are in the bullseye for catastrophic coastal flooding and hurricane-force winds. 4 to 7 inches of snow Saturday, but winds gust to 60 miles per hour Saturday night. That is strong enough to knock you down, strong enough to snap tree branches, strong enough to rip shingles off roofs. Coastal flooding at high tide Saturday night will be severe. Ocean surge combined with winds will push water inland. Homes on the beach will flood. Roads will wash out. The Outer Banks are about to get destroyed. Again, after last weekend's storm and now this one, more homes will collapse into the ocean. If you live on the coast, evacuate inland now. Before noon Saturday. After noon, it will be too late. Fayetteville, North Carolina, 4 to 7 inches of snow. Fort Liberty, formerly Fort Bragg, is restricting access Saturday. If you are not essential personnel, do not go to base. Highway 87 will be closed. Interstate 95 will be a disaster zone. 18-wheelers will jackknife. Cars will slide off the road. Emergency crews are pre-positioned, but they have limits. They cannot save everyone if hundreds of accidents happen simultaneously. Avoid the roads completely Saturday afternoon and evening. Norfolk, Virginia, 3 to 6 inches of snow and dangerous coastal flooding. Hampton roads will flood at high tide Saturday night. Norfolk has flooded repeatedly this winter. The ground is saturated. New flooding will be worse. Navy ships are moving out to sea to avoid the storm. If the Navy is evacuating, that should tell you how serious this is. Winds gust to 50 miles per hour Saturday night. The Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel will close. Do not get trapped on the peninsula. If you need to cross the water, do it before noon Saturday. Virginia Beach. Virginia, 2 to 5 inches of snow, but extreme coastal flooding and beach erosion. Waves will reach 15 to 20 feet offshore Saturday night. That is taller than a 2-story building. Combined with high tide and hurricane-force winds, oceanfront property will be damaged. Homes will flood. Boardwalk will be destroyed. Sand bridge will be cut off. If you live on the beach, get inland before noon Saturday. After the storm surge hits, you will be trapped. Richmond, Virginia, 3 to 6 inches of snow. Interstate 95 will be chaos. This is the main north-south artery on the East Coast, and it will be closed by ice and accidents. Interstate 64 will be just as bad. Snow starts Saturday morning and picks up intensity Saturday afternoon. The heaviest snow falls between 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. Saturday. Do not drive during those hours. Virginia State Police are begging people to stay home. They cannot respond to hundreds of accidents at once. You are on your own if you crash. Charleston, South Carolina, 1 to 3 inches of snow, which is massive for Charleston. The city shuts down with 1 inch. You are getting 3 times that. Bridges will ice over first. The Arthur Ravenel Jr. Bridge will close. The Ashley River bridges will close. You will be trapped wherever you are when bridges close. Coastal flooding Saturday night will be severe. Historic downtown floods during normal high tides. This will be catastrophic flooding. King Street will be underwater. Market Street will be underwater. Move your car to higher ground before Saturday afternoon. After that, it will be underwater. Columbia, South Carolina, 2 to 4 inches of snow. Interstate 20 will close. Interstate 77 will close. The entire Midlands region will shut down Saturday afternoon. This is more snow than Columbia has seen in 5 years. The city does not have equipment to handle this. Roads will be ice for days. Temperatures after the storm stay below freezing through Tuesday. Ice will not melt. Plan on being home until Wednesday at minimum. Savannah, Georgia, 1 to 2 inches of snow. That might not sound like much, but Savannah never gets snow. The city will panic. Roads will be ice immediately. Coastal flooding at high tide will compound problems. Do not drive Saturday. Do not go to the beach. Stay home. Atlanta, Georgia, you just dodged this storm. You are on the western edge. You might see flurries Saturday morning, but no accumulation. However, the cold after the storm will be brutal. Sunday morning, lows drop to 15 degrees. That is the coldest morning Atlanta has seen since January 2019. Protect your pipes. Let faucets drip Saturday night. Cover outdoor plants. Bring pets inside. This cold kills. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 2 to 4 inches of snow and catastrophic coastal flooding. You are directly in the path of the worst coastal impacts. Winds gust to 65 miles per hour Saturday night. That is hurricane force. Coastal flooding will destroy beach access points. Ocean Boulevard will flood. Homes will flood. This is worse than Hurricane Matthew in 2016 for coastal flooding potential. Evacuate the beach now. Get inland before noon. After noon, you are trapped. Jacksonville, North Carolina, 3 to 5 inches of snow. Camp Lejeune is closed to non-essential personnel Saturday. Highway 24 will be impassable. Coastal flooding will be severe. Onslow Bay will see massive storm surge. If you live near water, get to higher ground before Saturday afternoon. Charlotte Motor Speedway area, 6 to 10 inches. Highway 29 will close. Interstate 77 will close. You cannot get in or out of the area Saturday afternoon through Sunday. If you need supplies, get them before noon Saturday. Florence, South Carolina, 2 to 4 inches of snow. Interstate 95 and Interstate 20 intersection will be gridlock, then ice. This is a major trucking corridor. When trucks jackknife the entire East Coast supply chain stops, do not add to the problem. Stay off the roads. Hickory, North Carolina, 7 to 10 inches of snow. Highway 40 will close. This is ski country, and even ski country is shutting down. Resorts are closing Saturday because snow is falling too hard and winds are too strong for lifts to operate safely. Kinston, North Carolina, 4 to 6 inches of snow. Highway 70 will close. Coastal plain does not see snow like this. When it does, everything stops. Outer Banks, North Carolina. This is the worst-case scenario zone. 3 to 6 inches of snow combined with 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and 20-foot waves. Highway 12 will be destroyed. Again. After last weekend, multiple homes collapsed into the ocean. This storm will destroy more. If you are still on the Outer Banks, evacuate immediately. Right now, the bridges will close Saturday afternoon. After that, you are trapped on a barrier island during a hurricane-strength storm. People have died doing exactly that. Do not be one of them. Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, evacuate now. Nags Head, evacuate now. Rodanthe, evacuate now. Buxton, evacuate now. Hatteras, evacuate now. Ocracoke, you cannot evacuate by road, but you need to seek the highest, strongest shelter available. This storm will produce storm surge, flooding, and wave action that will destroy structures. Jacksonville, Florida. You are on the southern edge, but you will see the cold. Sunday morning lows drop to 35 degrees. Protect sensitive plants. Bring pets inside. Northern Florida is not built for cold like this. Tallahassee. Florida, 38 degrees Saturday. No snow, but dangerous cold Sunday morning. Low of 28 degrees. Pipes can freeze. Protect your home. Macon, Georgia, 29 degrees Saturday. You miss the snow, but the cold after the storm is dangerous. Sunday morning, low of 18 degrees. That is hard freeze territory. Pipes burst. Plants die. Prepare now. Augusta, Georgia, 33 degrees Saturday. On the edge of snow, might see flurries. Definitely will see dangerous cold Sunday. low of 20 degrees. Greenville, South Carolina, 26 degrees right now at 8:46 a.m. Saturday with snow falling. You are getting 6 to 9 inches by tonight. Interstate 85 corridor will close. Highway 25 will close. Downtown Greenville will shut down. This is the most snow Greenville has seen since December 2017. Spartanburg, South Carolina, 27 degrees with snow falling now. 7 to 10 inches expected. Interstate 85 will close. Highway 29 will close. You cannot travel Saturday afternoon or evening. Knoxville, Tennessee, 15 degrees right now with snow. You already have 4 to 6 inches on the ground. You will see 8 to 11 inches total. Interstate 40 will close. Interstate 75 will close. The entire region shuts down Saturday afternoon. Chattanooga, Tennessee, 19 degrees with snow, 6 to 9 inches expected. Interstate 24 will close. Interstate 75 will close. Lookout Mountain will be completely impassable. Bristol, Tennessee, 7.5 inches of snow already on the ground as of 8 a.m. Saturday. You will see 10 to 13 inches total. This is blizzard-level snow for East Tennessee. Everything is closed. Do not attempt to travel. Memphis, Tennessee, 15 degrees Saturday morning. You are west of the heavy snow, but dangerous cold arrives Sunday. Low of 8 degrees. Wind chill near 0. Exposed skin freezes in under 20 minutes. Nashville, Tennessee, 14 degrees Saturday morning. Light snow possible. The real danger is the cold Sunday. Low of 6 degrees. Wind chill below 0. This is the coldest air Nashville has seen in 6 years. If you lose power, you are in danger. Have backup heat ready. Now let me talk about what happens after the snow stops. This is critical. The cold air behind this storm is record-breaking. Sunday morning temperatures across the entire southeast will be 10 to 20 degrees below average. Charlotte will see a low of 8 degrees Sunday morning. That is the coldest morning Charlotte has seen since January 2018. Raleigh will drop to 12 degrees. Greensboro will hit 10 degrees. These are dangerous, life-threatening temperatures. Wind chills will make it feel even colder. Charlotte wind chill Sunday morning will be near 0. Raleigh wind chill will be 5 degrees. Greensboro wind chill will be 3 degrees. Frostbite occurs in under 15 minutes when wind chills are this low. If you must go outside Sunday morning, cover every inch of exposed skin. Face masks, thick gloves, insulated boots, layer your clothing. The cold Sunday morning combined with all the snow on the ground creates another deadly problem. Ice will not melt. Normally, when southern cities get snow, it melts within a day or two because temperatures rise above freezing. Not this time. High temperatures Sunday will only reach the mid-20s across most of North Carolina. That means the ice and snow from Saturday stays on the roads through Sunday. Then Sunday night temperatures drop back into the teens. More freezing, more ice. Roads will be impassable Sunday and Monday. Some roads will still be ice-covered Tuesday. Schools will be closed Monday and probably Tuesday. Businesses will be closed. Government offices will be closed. This is a multi-day shutdown event. If you do not have 3 to 4 days of food and supplies at home right now, you needed to get them yesterday. It is almost too late now, but if you can safely get to a store before noon Saturday, do it. After noon, forget it. Power outages are going to happen. Ice on power lines combined with 60 to 70 mile per hour winds will snap lines. Trees will fall on lines. Thousands will lose power Saturday night into Sunday. Power companies have crews staged, but they cannot restore power during blizzard conditions. They have to wait until the storm passes. That means if you lose power Saturday night, you might not get it back until Monday or Tuesday. 3 hours without heat when it is 8 degrees outside will drop your indoor temperature below 50 degrees. 6 hours without heat will drop it below 40 degrees. 12 hours without heat will drop it to freezing inside your house. Your pipes will freeze and burst. You will be in danger of hypothermia even inside your own home. This is how people die during winter storms. They lose power. They do not have backup heat. They think they can tough it out. They fall asleep. They do not wake up. Do not let that be you. If you lose power and do not have backup heat, you need to go somewhere that does. A friend's house, a family member's house, a warming center. Write down the addresses of warming centers in your area right now on paper, not in your phone. When your phone battery dies, you need that information on paper. Charge every device you have right now while you still have power. Phones, tablets, laptops, battery packs, charge everything. Fill your bathtub with water before the storm hits peak intensity Saturday afternoon. If you lose power, you might lose water pressure. You need water to flush toilets. You need water to drink. One bathtub holds enough water for 3 to 4 days for a family of 4. If you have a generator, make absolutely sure it is outside. 20 feet from any window. 20 feet from any door. Carbon monoxide from generators kills entire families every single winter storm. You cannot see carbon monoxide. You cannot smell it. It is completely silent. You go to sleep and you do not wake up. Your children do not wake up. Your pets do not wake up. Everyone dies. Do not run a generator in your garage even with the door open. Do not run it on your porch. Do not run it near a window. 20 feet minimum distance. No exceptions. Stock up on non-perishable food, bread, peanut butter, canned goods, crackers, protein bars, food that does not require cooking in case you lose power. Fill up your gas tank now. Gas stations will run out of fuel Saturday afternoon. They might not get resupplied until Tuesday or Wednesday. Have cash on hand. ATMs might not work if power goes out. Credit card machines might not work. Cash still works. Have at least $200 in cash at home. Check on your elderly neighbors. Check on your disabled neighbors. They might not be able to prepare for this storm on their own. They might not be able to shovel snow. They might not be able to get to a warming center if they lose power. Be a good human. Check on people. If you have small children, keep them inside Saturday and Sunday. The snow might look fun, but wind chills near zero will give them frostbite in under 10 minutes. Their smaller body mass means they lose heat faster than adults. They can develop hypothermia in under 30 minutes outside in these conditions. Keep them inside. Let them watch the snow from the window. If you have pets, bring them inside now. Do not leave dogs outside Saturday night. Do not leave cats outside. They will freeze to death. Even large dogs with thick coats cannot survive 8-degree temperatures with 40-mile-per-hour winds for hours. Bring them inside. Make sure they have food and water for multiple days in case you cannot get to the store. The coastal flooding Saturday night is going to be catastrophic in some areas. High tide Saturday night combined with hurricane-force winds and a full moon creates the perfect setup for historic coastal flooding. Ocean levels will rise 3 to 5 feet above normal high tide. That is enough to flood first floors of beach houses. That is enough to wash out roads. That is enough to destroy docks and piers. If you live within 2 blocks of the ocean on the Carolina coast, you need to evacuate inland before Saturday afternoon. This is not a suggestion. This is a life or death decision. After Hurricane Florence in 2018, people refused to evacuate. Storm surge flooded their homes. They climbed into attics to escape rising water. Some of them drowned when water filled their attics and they had no way out. Do not let that be you. Evacuate now while you still can. The Outer Banks are going to be devastated again. Highway 12 will be destroyed by overwash. Homes will collapse into the ocean. This happened 2 weeks ago and it is happening again. If you are still on the Outer Banks reading this, leave immediately. The bridges close Saturday afternoon. After that, you are stuck on a barrier island during a bomb cyclone. You will have no power, no water, no help. Emergency crews cannot reach you during the storm. You are completely on your own. Now, I need you to do something right now while you are reading this. Drop your location in the comments immediately. Tell me what city and state you are in. I will give you a personalized forecast in the next update. Do it right now, not later, now. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications immediately. The next update could save your life and you will miss it if you do not have notifications on. This storm is changing hour by hour. I will update you as conditions change. Turn on notifications right now. Share this video with everyone you know in the Southeast, your family in North Carolina, your friends in South Carolina, your co-workers in Virginia. The more people who see this information, the more lives we save. Share it right now, text it, post it, send it everywhere. Lives depend on information spreading. This is the most dangerous winter storm the Southeast has seen in years. The combination of heavy snow plus hurricane-force winds plus record cold plus coastal flooding creates a catastrophic multi-hazard event. People will die, property will be destroyed, but you do not have to be a victim. Prepare now, stay home Saturday, have backup heat, have food and water, check on your neighbors, make smart decisions. The next 12 hours are critical for preparation. Afternoon Saturday, it is too late. Whatever supplies you have at that point are what you have for the next 4 days. Whatever decisions you make in the next few hours determine whether you stay safe or become a statistic. This storm is not a joke. This storm is not hype. This storm is real and it is happening right now. Treat it with the respect it deserves.